Welcome to Wholesome Wearhouse Chats, where I talk to you in the warehouse because there is no other quiet space in the vicinity that's private where I can talk to you about stuff. And this is my microphone because it makes things more official. So anyways, this is my topic of the day. I spoke to not that many. It was a fair amount, but it took about 3 hours. I spoke to enough people for it to take 3 hours. I spoke to our clients, which is so fun, and also terrifying at the same time, if I'm being completely honest with you. But anyways, I spoke to some of our new clients today, and I have a summary that I'd like to share with you because it's really important to make sure that people feel like they're not alone. This is a summary, okay? We all go through shit. That's my summary. And what you decide to do when you're going through that kind of stuff is completely up to you on how you want to make your life easier. And what I have found with our fantastic customers is that they find us to be their silver lining in this trash bucket of an experience in life that they're going through. Now, don't get me wrong. I really wish it didn't take people having to go through a tough time to want to take care of themselves and use our service, but hey, that's 100% up to you. But I think what it boils down to is just knowing deep down that there are other people out there going through a difficult time and finding help in healthy, delicious meal prep for meals that they don't have to cook. Okay, sign me up. I mean, I'm an advocate. We've been doing this for how many years, and I've eaten Nutri-Meals daily for years. And I share this in common with my fellow clients, is that we believe it to be a ray of sunshine when you don't have to cook food for yourself or your family. But anyways, I'm gonna sign off. I've recorded this 7 times, probably taking up a lot of space on my phone. But I hope you enjoyed our Wholesome Wearhouse Chat. Maybe I'll see you here on a weekly basis where we can talk about things about meal prep. Bye!